you are probably a stay-at-home mom and you wish you had the funds to start a business, or you just have this flair for baking, but you do not have the funds to go learn how to bake. So basically, it's called skill acquisition. All you just need to do is go on Chat GPT and ask the questions. How do I learn to bake a cake? Question mark, enter. Learning to bake a cake can be a fun and a rewarding experience. Here are some of the steps to get you started. Choose a recipe. Look for a cake recipe that suits your taste, preferences, and skill level. There are many resources online for finding recipes, such as cooking websites for recipe. Gather ingredients and equipment. Make the batter. Follow the recipe. Bake the cake. Decorate the cake. Practice and experiment. Remember this question I asked the bot is kind of wide. I didn't specify. I didn't ask you to show me exactly how to bake this cake. So this is more like, so it's now left for you to properly redefine your query. What exactly is it that you want? Okay. Don't forget, if you want to start a big cake company, this can help you to start it. If you want to learn how to just bake a cake, this can help you to start it. Okay, starting a big cake company, you may just need ideas of what you need, offices and stuff like that, and then you may need a business plan. You can input that into this, but right now, for this training purpose, we just want to know how to bake a cake. Okay, so what ingredients do I need to bake a cake? So it says the ingredients you need to bake a cake may vary depending on the recipe, but here are some common ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, butter or oil, baking powder, baking soda, milk and buttermilk. So it's giving us all the ingredients that we need to bake this cake. Okay, so let's assume I am a novice. I have never baked a cake before in my life, so I need to bake a cake for the first time. Now I can take this list to the market to buy all the stuff. Now, how do I bake the cake? I just come to Chat GPT and say, give me the steps. Give me directions. Okay, directions sounds better, more refined, on how to bake a cake. So it says, sure. Here are the general directions of baking a cake. Preheat the oven to temperature. Specify the recipe, usually around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare the cake pan. Mix the ingredients. Mix the sweat. So, you see, everything you need to succeed in life is really embedded in this artificial intelligence system. It's just easy pre-built to interact with you as a human. It's been pre-built to do your bidding. So it's just left for you to know what exactly to ask the bot. So your normal life, your individual life, and your business life can take that needed leap into the future. We can actually go ahead to ask this bot, okay, how do I start a confectionery business? Okay, it says starting a confectionery business can be a challenging but rewarding venture. Here are some steps you can take to get started. Develop a business plan. And let's walk around. Let's click on regenerate response. The mission of the confectionery business, including your target market and product pricing. Research the market. So now, you see all these details the bot is giving us right now. We can actually ask the bot to expatiate on each and every one of these. So this is more like a research you're making. And then this information is something you would have gone out there to pay somebody to help you develop or to generate. This is just an example of what you can achieve using Chat GPT. I'm sure you already know the kind of prompts, the kind of queries, the kind of questions you can put to us. You can even use this to design the website if you want to, if you know how to. So just take your time, go through this, get used to this, and then before you know it, the sky is your limit.